Hey, I'm sorry about that. Anyway. Okay, let's loosen it. Let go for
She messed mine up, so yeah.
Let me see.
Look, you're not fine.
You're gonna have to start. Yeah, you're gonna have to start off. Then I can remove it. See, mine is like fully slime, and I'm scaling it out really good.
Mine is coming great a little bit.
Okay, and mine is, y'all can be like, what color is mine? I cannot see. I can actually go ahead and poke mine.
You can't poke yours.
You can't poke. That's gotta be. Okay. Like, I don't want to get it yet because it's not ready. It's not ready. Like, it's really jiggling when I mix it up. See, I made some jiggly slime. I'm just going to go ahead and knead it. And
Is this coming in?
no, knead it. It's very jiggly. That's going to be your potato?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I need to add about a teaspoon of this. I really am trying to get this.
Like your face.
Very jiggly and and my name is actually is Taylor. Yeah. I'm not gonna really tell y'all about my life. Before I feel it, okay, I'm just gonna cause I get it and then I stare it up because they don't know how they line up. And he's trying to get in, but it won't let him. I'm gonna be by the refrigerator.
Okay, Taylor, how's that right there?
A little bit more. What are you doing? Okay, that's enough. I was gonna try to come out a lot. Okay, I'm only gonna put a little bit of this in.
Mine is coming great, but I'm gonna mix it fast.
Let's see. Let's see who's gonna turn this into slime. Mine is
Oh, mine is coming great.
yeah, mine is too. But I like how it jiggles.
Me too. Jiggle, pop, pop,
Is yours jiggle though?
Jiggle, pop,
And this is like fun if you know how to mix it. So I'm just gonna go ahead show you. This is what it looks like. Like that.
Mine do this.
I do too. I think that hammer makes it jiggle. And not to use any glue, no borax, none of that. Yeah.
bit of this stuff in it, a little bit. Like that might, break up the chunk.
Okay, they're probably not getting that. Did I ever use this for certain stuff? They probably not getting mad.
Really got that one open.
Oh yeah, they got another one.
That was mine for my project.
I'm not using this whole thing.
No!
I'm not gonna use it like. You probably need a little bit. I'm only getting a little bit.
About so much.
So. Mine comes in really good. It's coming along.
Mine is too?
It's like this. Yeah. You just need to start sharing that stuff and start doing it. You need to start playing with it more.
Hey, look, my is a little bit.
You have to do that.
See?
See? I'm trying to really show y'all. His is kind of bigger than how mine is. When I take it out, y'all probably didn't see it what it looks like. But I really do not want to take it out because I'm trying to get like in it. Make sure I'm not skipping them.
Hey, look,
I need to pause it. Hey, I'm sorry about that. I just had to go show my baby. And it smells really good.
Mine is fine. I feel like kind of good, but
No, mine's just for try y'all. It stinks.
not that much.
Yeah, it's not that like a lot. It's smoky. I'm trying to mark off the meat to make sure you're so good. That's not everything. Don't do it like that, okay?
No, so you get all this stuff.
You go like this. That's why you should have got this. Because these are easier. And you don't really have to do that.
Look, but it's cleaner what I got.
Yeah, with the connection.
I'm Google.
Okay. You get it.
I'm not gonna touch it really.
I'm gonna poke. It pokes really good. You don't clock yet. It took the really
close.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get another thing, guys. You can try it and put some of that in it. Put this in the camera. Did it work? Did it work? Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. How did it work? No, I don't mind. Right? Oh, okay.
We're gonna try it. Hey, shit, what?
This lotion that we just add to ours is working. And it says you just went ahead and put Arm & Hammer in it.
Yeah, I might put this back.
And Arm & Hammer first. You just need Arm & Hammer. You don't need that. This is to make it good. It's to make it gooder, okay?
I just...
Ow.
Okay.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we messed it up.
I didn't. It's not jiggling.
Yeah, because we messed it up. We jacked it up.
We can fix. I know how to fix it.
Huh.
Mix them over.
The whole pot. I need some.
Guys, we will be right back. I'm gonna pause this and then we'll return right back. Okay, y'all, now I'm back. Okay. JJ isn't, but I'm back. He's still in the bathroom. Try to get his stuff together. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know what they're doing. I know what I'm actually doing. What did I do with that? Pass it out. That's it? Is that it? Okay guys, oh, there it is. I was about to say, guys, I had it. Yeah. Okay, I'm not sure this take this past the bag, and I'm not the rest of my hands. I'm just gonna go ahead, put it right up in here.
It's mine.
Yeah.
My
Zip it.
no, my mixture.
Let's put it. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's a little slime, okay? And now, if you want me to make you some, I don't know if I can make y'all some, and for that, I don't know y'all will. And it's not like I'm going to shake it. Yeah. Mine is too. Okay, guys, I just transformed it into there. Oh my gosh, can I get that on my hand? And then it's like, what's up? Okay, now. Hey guys. Yeah, so thanks for watching my YouTube video. Bye.